Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 2, the second topic, combined shape. Combined shape. Two or more plan figures joined with the side of same measure give rise to a new shape. The new shape is called combined shape. See the picture. This is a combined shape. The shape of a glass window is upper part is semicircle and lower part is rectangle. Two or more shape joined with the side of same measure give rise to a new shape. The new shape is called combined shape. Next topic, perimeter of combined shape. The perimeter of a combined shape is sum of all the length of the sides that form a closed boundary. See the picture. Here there are two shapes. One is equilateral triangle, another one is square. A square has four sides. Each side a unit, and equilateral triangle has three sides. The three sides are equal, so each side has a unit. When they are combined together, we will have a total of only 5 sides. The sum of all the length of the sides equal to 5a unit. Therefore, perimeter of the combined shape is 5a unit. First example sum. Find the perimeter of the given shape. See the picture. In the figure is formed by the joining of four quadrants of a circle with each side of a square. See the picture. The side of the square A equal to 3.5 centimeter. Radius of the circular quadrant R equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now, perimeter of the given combined shape equal to 4 into length of the arc of the quadrant of a circle plus 4 radius. Quadrant of a circle formula 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. 4 quadrant. So, 4 into 1 by 4 into 2 pi r plus 4 radius. Next step, 4 into 1 by 4. Here 4 cancel into 2 pi oda value 22 by 7, radius 3.5. 7 table 7 one time, 3.5 0.5 time. Now you multiple 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 0.5, your answer is 22. Now 4 radius 4r. 4 into radius 3.5. 4 into 3.5, we get answer 14 centimeter. 22 plus 14 centimeter equal to 36 centimeter. Now the perimeter of the given combined shape is 36 centimeter. Next topic, area of combined shape. Example sum. Listen the question. A keychain is in the form of an equilateral triangle and a semicircle attached to a square of the side 5 centimeter. Find its area. What is given? In the keychain shape, there are three different shapes. First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means three sides are equal. That is called equilateral triangle. So, side A equal to 5 centimeter. Next, square. Square has 4 sides. Each side A equal to 5 centimeter. Next, last one, semicircle. In the semicircle, the diameter 5 centimeter is given. So, radius diameter of, so radius equal to 2.5 centimeter. This is given. Let's come to the sum. Area of the keychain. In the keychain, there are three different shapes. Area of the semicircle plus area of the square plus area of the equilateral triangle. First one, area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle formula of pi r square. Area of the circle formula pi pi r square, area of the semicircle of pi r square. 1 by 2, pi oda value 3.14, radius 2.5 into 2.5. Now 2 table 2 1 time, 3.14 1.57 times. Now 1.57 into 2.5 into 2.5, we get answer 9.81 centimeter square. Now area of the semicircle is 9.81 centimeter square. Next, area of the square. Area of the square formula A into A square. So 5 into 5, 25 centimeter square. The last one, area of the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 oda value 1.732 into A. Side 5 into 5 divided by 4. 4 table 4 1 time, 1.732 0.433 times. So 0.433 into 5 5s are 25. Multiple the number 0.433 into 25. We get answer 10.83. This is area of the equilateral triangle for area. Now area of the keychain. Area of the semicircle, answer 9.81 centimeter square. Area of the square, answer 25 centimeter square. Area of the equilateral triangle, answer 10.83. 3 number, you add the number, you get answer 45.64 centimeter square. Now area of the keychain equal to 45.64 centimeter square. Exercise 2.2. Find the perimeter of the shape. See the picture. In the picture there are two shapes, rectangle and semicircle. Combined shape equal to rectangle plus semicircle. First one, perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle formula P equal to 2L plus B unit. Here length equal to 10 meter, breadth equal to 7 meter. Only 3 sides covered by the given shape. So perimeter of the rectangle 10 meter plus 7 meter plus 10 meter. So perimeter of the rectangle 27 meter. Next shape, perimeter of the semicircle. The diameter is given. The diameter is 7 meter. So radius 3.5 meter. Now perimeter of the semicircle formula pi r. Pi oda value 22 by 7. Radius 3.5. 7 table 7 1 time, 3.5 0.5 time. So 22 into 0.5, 11 meter. Therefore perimeter of the combined shape, perimeter of the rectangle 27 meter, perimeter of the semicircle 11 meter, totally 38 meter. Perimeter of the combined shape is 38 meter.